Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey Brawlers, ever wondered how to snag that elusive kit pin for your collection? It's a really sought-after cosmetic, and lots of you are asking about getting it in the year 2025. Well, you're in luck, because this quick guide will reveal the easiest and most likely ways to add it to your collection. Get ready to personalize your favorite brawler and show off your style with this cool pin. It's simpler than you might think. Before we dive into how, let's quickly understand what pins are all about. These are fun little emojis you can use during matches, adding personality to your gameplay. The kit pin, in particular, celebrates the charming brawler kit, making it a favorite for many. Supercell, the game's creators, usually offers these exclusive pins through various engaging activities. Knowing this helps us predict the best ways to acquire it. For 2025, getting the kit pin will likely follow common patterns. Always keep a close eye on special in-game events, since Supercell often includes exclusive pins as rewards for completing specific challenges. The seasonal Brawl Pass is also a prime candidate. New pins often arrive with each new season. Finally, don't forget to check the in-game shop regularly, as limited time offers occasionally pop up for these unique items. To make sure you don't miss out on the kit pin, stay proactive. Always follow the official Brawl Stars social media pages and their in-game news feed. Supercell announces big events there first. Logging in daily is also a great habit, ensuring you catch any new events, challenges, or limited-time shop offers. And as a smart tip, keep some gems or star points ready, just in case it becomes available for purchase directly. So there you have it. Getting the kit pin in 2025 is totally achievable, especially if you stay vigilant and check your game regularly. By following official announcements and participating in events, you'll greatly increase your chances of adding this charming pin to your collection. We hope this guide helps you personalize your brawlers. Good luck, and have fun showing off your new kit pin in battles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.